Now we are looking at the Science Standard 11C. Recognized forms of energy. Let me highlight here. Recognized forms of energy. Heat, electrical, magnetic, sound, and light. Your concepts are change, system, structure, and function. You need to know the different forms of energy. You need to know how heat happens. You need to know how sound and light energy happen. And you need to know how electrical and magnetic energy happen. You need to recognize your key skills to recognize forms of energy. Your targeted cognitive process is to recognize. Your core tasks, these are the steps that you need to take to be successful with this standard. You need to research the different forms of energy so you will be able to recognize them. You need to research how heat, electric, magnetic, sound, and light energy work. And this will help you to be successful with the standard 11C, recognized forms of energy. Heat, electrical, magnetic, sound, and light. So let's look at two of our resources. And these are our resources right here. So types of energy. In a flash, forms of energy. There are many different types of energy, which all fall into the two primary forms, kinetic and potential. So you know there's two forms of energy here. You have kinetic and potential. Energy can transform from one type to the other, but it can never be destroyed or created. So burning questions or the different types of energy. So you have your radiant energy, your thermal heat energy. This is just a great resource and it shows good visuals to help you remember your chemical energy, nuclear energy. It breaks it down for you. There's your motion, electrical energy. So let's look at electrical energy is the movement of electrons. The tiny particles that make up atoms along with protons and neutrons. Electrons that move through a wire are called electricity. Lightning is another example of electrical energy. You have sound energy. And that is the movement of energy through substances. It moves in waves and is produced when a force makes an object or substance vibrate. This is usually much less energy in a sound than in other forms of energy. So that is a good resource to look at, and that's under solar schools. And then this one compares the forms of energy, and it breaks it down again with pictures. So just look over each part of those. There's your thermal energy, your heat energy. Look at each part of the different types of energy to help you be successful with 11C, which is recognized forms of energy.